Hi, I'm Charlotte. I'm here on farm in Waikato, New Zealand. Today I'll show you how to weigh animals using the JR5000. We'll be weighing cattle and collecting weights and visual tag numbers. Let's start with what's in the box. You'll find a hard plastic carry case with the JR5000 indicator, a mounting bracket, hardware for mounting, and international power adapters. Inside the carry case, you'll find a quick start guide, the JR5000 Weigh Scale Indicator, a mains power adapter, a USB cable to connect to the PC, and a USB stick with the PC software. The first thing you'll need to do is charge the battery. Choose the correct plug for your country and connect it to the mains power adapter. As we'll be weighing cattle today, I've already charged this indicator. Once fully charged, the battery will last 10 hours with the backlight on or 13 hours with the backlight off. Now I'll mount the JR5000 using the bracket provided so the screen can be seen while weighing. The indicator is IP67 waterproof, so can be used outside in all weather conditions. When powering on the JR5000 for the first time, you'll need to select your language, country, and set the date and time. Once that's done, the home screen will appear. To begin a new weigh session, press the yellow soft key to select New Session. Give it a name, then tap Start Session. You'll notice there are no load bars connected yet. As soon as I plug in the Tru-Test load bars, they'll automatically connect. If you have another manufacturer's load bars, you can select those in the settings. Before weighing animals, it's important to do a quick test weight. Use something with a known weight, such as a person or bag of feed, to check accuracy. This helps ensure there is no interference, such as debris under the load bars, which can affect the results. Now it's time to start weighing animals. Make sure the full weight of the animal is being weighed and nothing else is interfering. Wait for the weight to show as stable. As I'm recording visual IDs today, I can type these in now. Then touch the record button to save the ID and weight to the session. If you notice an incorrect weight, for example a person was leaning on the crush, you can press the reweigh button to take a new reading. Between animals, the scale will automatically return to 0, but if it doesn't, press the 0 button before weighing the next animal. Press the session button to see a summary of your session, including the number of animals and average weight. You can also view individual animal records under Session Animals, including the weights and any IDs that have been recorded. Return to the weighing screen at any time by tapping the Weigh Screen button. Once you've finished, you can download and share the data using the mobile app or PC software. You can also send the data to Datamars Livestock using the mobile app, PC software, or directly from the JR5000. For more details, check the Quick Start Guide or visit support.livestock.datamars.com.